Now step number 7. Now project the points of circle on front view and then on the side view. So we have this the naming we have done in earlier step. So we are going to take the projections on this front view. The same we have done for the semicircle. The same way we are going to have the projections on this visible edge and then on this invisible edge. So whenever the points are on the visible edge, we have it is with the single dash, 7 dash, 6 dash, 8 dash, and when the points are on the invisible edge, that will be 7 double dash, 6 double dash, 8 double dash. Now then we are going to project these points on this side view. So in the same way what we have done in the earlier case. Now the step number 8. Complete the invisible portion of projections of circle in side view. Now we have just taken these lines on this edge from the front view. Now again what we have done in earlier case, in the same way for invisible points we are going to follow these same codings. We are going to follow the a double dash, 2 double dash, 3 double dash, 4 double dash, and then we are going to have a invisible circle. In the same way we can have, in the next step we can have the visible circle. So the red color indicates, in this case this red color indicates the complete, that is a visible circle, whereas a circle drawn with the pencil is a invisible circle. Now how we have come with the visible and invisible? This again, as per the projections and as per the visible edges, we have taken it as a visible projections of the circle and invisible projections of the circle. Now we are going to have a next step, that is a complete the side view as shown in figure, considering the visible and invisible portions. So with this complete this the single dash, that is the visible points, and this double dash indicates the invisible point. Now the question is, why there is a the solid curve at this inner portion of this circle. Now once again move to the pictorial view of this object. So if we look at this object, when the observer is looking at this side of this circle, this edge is going to be the visible edge, whereas this edge is not going to be the visible. The bottom edges are not going to be visible, whereas the upper edge is going to be visible. So now this is a complication here. So this, the outer circle is going to be visible, whereas this inner circle, the 50% or there is a partial view is there. So this bottom edge is going to be invisible and this is going to be visible. So here in this step, so as per that view we are going to connect this as a visible portion of the circle and this dot as an invisible portion of the circle, and it completes your total side view. And then that is the next thing is that complete the side view and then give the dimensions, give the measure dimensions of the object, and this is your the complete solution. I hope this will clear your idea of this example. Still, if you have any problem related with the visible and invisible portion of the object, you please try to draw the isometric of the object, then you will get the idea. Thank you.